Hi, Robin and Chet here with Sea Lake Journeys.
Sea Lake Journeys. So have you ever been on a back-to-back? Have you ever wondered what it's like? If you got questions, we're going to answer them for you.
Do you have to get off the ship? I mean, how exactly does that work? So today we're going to explain what it's like to be on a back-to-back cruise, and do you have to get off the ship? Well, you are considered a passenger in transit.
Passenger in transit.
So here we go.
Here we are.
In the Princess Theater.
Princess Theater.
Waiting for our passenger in transit process.
Yes.
And that is to...
You have to physically get every passenger off of this ship. Start back at 0 count. And then they'll put us back on first. So
Yes. So we have to get off, go through customs, and wait, they say about 30 minutes while all passengers disembark the ship. When all passengers are off the ship, we just get back on again.
how about that?
Like if nothing ever happened.
Yeah.
So every guest is given a guest in transit pass. Notice you must have your passport, your medallion, and this pass to reboard the ship. If you have a shore excursion, it's not a problem. You simply go to your shore excursion. When you come back to the port, you show your guest in transit pass and you get to butt the line. So yes, back-to-back passengers are the first passengers to reboard the ship.
On board. Only took about an hour. Pretty quick and easy. And look at there. Got mimosas.
We were greeted with mimosas.
3 ones. Ooh. Makes me wish I actually liked them things.
Literally hundreds of us are doing back-to-back. They had to put us in the Princess Theater. It holds a little over 900, and it was at least halfway full, wouldn't you think?
Yeah, for sure.
If I had to guess, I'd say about 450 people doing back-to-back. That's a lot of people. So we're back in the piazza right now. I'll turn you around.
There's the welcome aboard. How about that? So I went over and got her a birthday lemon Danish. I even took a bite out of it for her.
So reboarding the ship was super easy. We simply walked right up to customs. They took us upstairs to the Platinum Lounge. We sat down for about 10-15 minutes and then left the Platinum Lounge and reboarded the ship. The entire process took less than an hour.
What you got here?
You always ask me after I have food in my mouth.
Of course. Timing just right. I got chocolate chip cookies. She's got some kind of little coconut pie here. And ham and cheese croissant. Is that any good?
The little coconut cream pie
Coconut cream.
is amazing.
So are these awesome chocolate chip cookies.
This
Say that again.
from the International Cafe, right over there. If you're enjoying this video in any way whatsoever, why don't you hit that thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and remember to make comments and turn on that notification bell.
Ding ding.
It helps other people find us as well.
It's like I hope somebody finds us soon. I don't know where I'm at. I hope somebody finds us soon, because I don't know where we're at.
We want to thank you for watching the video today, and we hope that you understand now what it's like to be a passenger in transit. I don't know what his problem is today, but thanks for watching. We'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.